method choose. We're going to continue on. Continue on with determining our just worksheets here, amplitude periods of these graphs if we're given the equation rather than just given the graph itself. So remember that in this form, let me just write this out, that y is equal to a sine bx. The a is my amplitude, and the period is related to my b value in such a way that I can say like 360 divided by b, or you can say, if you want to keep it in radians, 2 pi divided by b. It's up to you. We're just going to use here radians, so we're going to use the 2 pi over b. Okay, so my a value for this first one is 1. It's just whatever's in front of the sign there. You can't see it, so you assume it to be a 1. That's 4, 1, 4, and 3. Now the amplitude is always a positive number, even if there's a negative in front of it. That just means it's kind of flipped over. If you were to graph it, you would notice it's rather than going upwards, it's going downwards to start off with. But the amplitude will still be a positive number, positive 3. Here I'm going to go 2 pi divided by my b value, which is going to be just 2 pi because my b value is 1. This is going to be the same thing. This one here is going to be 2 pi divided by 3. Okay. Remember what we said before. If there's no plus signs in there, the 3 and the x, they're attached together in that sign. So it'll just be 2 pi over 3. You can reduce it down if you need to. Like this next one here, you're going to reduce it down because 2 pi divided by 2 ends up being a pi. Okay. Well, this one just stays the same. This one here, we're going to have to reduce because you're dividing by a fraction. But remember, when you divide by a fraction, that's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. But literally, you could just type in your calculator. 2 divided by 1/5 is 10. You notice I kind of ignore the pi and I just put it back in there. So I'm just dividing the numbers in front. For these two, I just want to determine what the equation is. So to find the equation, we have to determine what the period is and the a is, and then kind of back it up to find out what the b value is. So remember, the a is my amplitude, and my b value is going to be, these are all in radians. You can see that there's little pi symbols in all of these. So this is going to be in 2 pi divided by the period of the graph. Okay. Yeah. So the period of this first graph is 2 pi. So my b value is 1. My amplitude, I'm going to make an assumption here that's about 2.5. It's a bit harder to read, so I'm going to say 2.5. So my equation is 2.5 sine x. You put a little 1 there if you want to. You don't have to if you don't need to. Okay. Here's my period for this one. My period for this guy. This is my whole period here. I'm just going to highlight it. Might as well. The period for this one goes up to pi. So my period for this is 2 pi divided by pi. So my b value is 2. Amplitude looks like it's 2. So I got 2 sine 2x. There we go. Looking pretty good. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.